gonna go see Dan? Go get him, Franny. Go get him, Franny. Go get him. The young and the fearless.
Oh man, she has no fear of nothing. Hi, Franny. You want to come out? Okay, come here. She's like, yeah, let's go back up there.
That's so funny.
Oh my God. She was. You see her like stiff-legged?
Yeah, yeah.
Like, yeah, I don't like this.
Just a little too cold, but I'm gonna count that run.
Why not? Okay, you want to go back in? You want to go back in? Okay, there you go. Maybe tomorrow will be a little warmer, Franny.
God, it feels like any day will be a little warmer.
Melt a little bit of that snow.
Yeah.
Good girl. Oh, you wash your eyes. Look at that. All is good in the world right
Yeah, right.
now. I got cleaned up too.
All is good in the Frandan
I
world
always
too.
got cleaned